Hello friends, today we would be unboxing OnePlus 6 Silk White variant and also have an answer at the end of this video to a confusing question. What time is best time to buy OnePlus smartphone? So let's first unbox it. Here I am with an Amazon box. Oh, and sadly no bubble wrap or any kind of cushioning is provided. Few days back I ordered a simple cheap non-electronic device and they have just bubble wrapped it 5 to 6 times. I don't know why they haven't bubble wrapped a single layer in this OnePlus 6. So here I am disappointed with Amazon for providing such a bad packaging, and yes, there's slightly a dent on box which is not visible. Yes, when we are buying it online, the biggest question is if it is a faulty phone, it will take time to replace and return. So let's check it first. Okay, so it is a simple but also at same time premium looking box. It is silk white, 128GB storage with 8GB of RAM, and at bottom it says it is designed by OnePlus and assembled in India. So let's unwrap it. So yes, we have here, phone is at the top, so let's keep the phone aside for now. So we have a powerful dash charger with a red USB-C type cable. By the time I will just switch on the OnePlus. So again, there's a small box which has a manual, some instructions and OnePlus 6 stickers. And we also have a transparent mobile cover, and yes, we do have a SIM tray opener. And remember guys, a screen protector is pre-installed, so no need to rush to mobile stores to get a tempered glass. Okay, so by this time this phone is turned on and thankfully there is no fault. So I will just set up it quickly. And remember, OnePlus 6 have got Android 9 Pie stable update, and best part is you won't even feel notch in a display while using this phone at all. And if we talk about this OnePlus 6 Silk White variant, its back is almost looks like a real pearl, as it is made up of real pearl dash. When you move it slightly at an angle, you would feel like it's real pearl. So one question always strikes in our mind when to buy OnePlus 6 phone, as after every 6 months new variant comes in market. So what is the best time to buy? Is it at early stage or is it at the last stage of a variant? So answer is simple, anytime is great time to buy OnePlus. If you would be buying it in early, you will get latest features. If you would be buying it late, you will get OnePlus at great discounted rate. And remember, coming next variant won't have a drastic technology change. Only 2 to 3 features are changed, like OnePlus 60 is expected to have on-screen fingerprint and a little bit difference in screen. And if you talk about performance, it would be same as that of OnePlus 6. And if you see here, this OnePlus 6 have already got Android 9, that is Android Pie update, stable update. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe.